How to remove shipping calculated at checkout Shopify. Well, this is really easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to just go and click on your online store and you will be in the theme section. Once you're here, just go and make sure you click on the current theme which you're using. Click on the three dots. Now here you can just go and click on edit default theme content. Once you're here, and here on the search bar, you have to type shipping and just press the enter bar. Now here you will find all these searches about the shipping. So you have to find a one option. Just go to the checkout, shipping here. Let me show you where I can show. Right here, let it be whatever it is. So here, calculated shipping. Right, so this is what you want to remove. So here, as you can see, it will always show calculating and it will show that how much is the shipping, whether it's free or whether you have added some kind of amount for the shipping charges, right? So here you have to press the enter bar or you can just enter the full stop, right? So here, as you can see here, I pressed my space bar and just go and click on save. So as you can see here now, it will not show your calculating shipping. Right, by the way, if you want to remove something else or you want to hide it, you can always hide it. For example, calculated at next step. I also don't want to save it. I don't want to show it, so I will just make sure to skip this and here you can just enter the space bar. So in this way, you can hide it and it will get everything hidden. So the customer will never come to know that, shipping calculated at the checkout, they will not able to see. Right, so this is how you can do it, how to remove shipping calculated at checkout Shopify. Thanks for watching, subscribe.